Hey, what's going on YouTube? We got another project for you. We got Lexus came in. Customer wanted to add a little more flavor to it. We got a little sauce going on right now, but we gonna give them the whole gallon. We gonna sauce them up with the olive blueberry flip. It's gonna be a lot of work we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing these wheels as well. It's gonna be real tedious with them wheels. We're gonna color match them though. They're gonna be the same color as the car, so they're gonna flip. Same color as the car. Y'all stay tuned. New Touch Auto. We just got done with our pre-wash. What I'm gonna do is pretty much go through all the stuff that we're gonna use to prep this car before we paint it. So right now we got it all cleaned up, we got it dry, everything is ready. We got everything ready to be painted, but we gotta prep it first. You gotta prep it right. If you don't prep it right, it won't look right. So therefore, you want those clean lines, you want that smooth finish, you gotta put the right products on. If you don't want the uplift so easy, you gotta add the right products. So therefore, let me show you what we got. We're gonna go from left to right from the screen, and we're gonna pretty much explain each and every product that you're seeing right now. We got the pre-wash. Pre-wash we used in the previous video to wash the vehicle. It pretty much gets rid of the grease, grime, wax, or anything to that nature, and it helps remove all of that before you pretty much align your paint. Then we got the pre-dip spray. Pre-dip spray, you use that for every panel of the vehicle. It's an adhesive to the vehicle. It helps the paint adhere to the vehicle once you lay it down, and it decreases any peels in the future. The alcohol, I use the alcohol for an adhesive as well, but I use that for tight areas. The tighter the areas, such as door handles, behind the side view mirrors, emblems, things of that nature, that's what I use the alcohol for, because it has a stronger bond. Tape and drape. We got two different size tape and drapes. Tape and drape, we use that for things like the windows, mirrors, or any large panels that we want to use it for. It decreases the use of paper, which you see on the side, newspaper. You can also use newspaper as well if you don't have tape and drape. Just use the three different size tapes that we have here. You got the large size, the medium size, and the small size. Small size, you can pretty much handle that better when you want to cut curves or anything to that nature. You can use that small size for that. The bigger sizes you want to use for aligning straight lines. If you want that smooth finish, that's what you want to use. Alright, the microfiber towel. I use normally 3 different ones, each for each product that I have. Alcohol will have its own, pre-dip spray will have its own, and whatever else I use, it will have its own microfiber towel. Microfiber towel pretty much won't uplift anything. It's the safest thing you can use when you're dealing with plastic dip. Alright, that's for products. Products, you pretty much gonna base on the size of the vehicle. For this vehicle, I would consider it a large size vehicle, so therefore, from left to right, we got the plastic dip spray, and we're gonna use the black and blue as our base. That's gonna be our base paint. And from the middle, we have our spray gun, and then to the right of that, we got the Dip Pearl top coat. The Dip Pearl top coat is an infused gallon. It's the olive blueberry. So, infused gallons, they already mixed. So if you ever get an infused gallon, it's already mixed. You don't have to mix the pearls because they've already mixed it for you. Only thing you have to do is mix well before you simple. Alright, then we got our speed shake. Speed shake, pretty much what we're gonna do is spray the olive blueberry on it so we can see what our color is gonna look like. I normally do that during the painting, but it's up to you. Whenever you want to do it, it's on you. These are the products. That spray gun will spray each and every product that you see. Alright, this is the DYC spray gun that they also use as well for every job that you see them do. Alright, for the plastic dip products, gun changes when the product changes. For plastic dip, that's what they use. Alright, so let's go, y'all. Let's get the prep. Alright, we're gonna jump straight into it. We got our prep process down. Got everything prepped. We got the windows prepped. We got our sunroof. We got our antenna. We got our tires. Everything covered. That what you see, we're gonna keep the chrome. We'll peel it away in the end, so we don't have to cover that. And we go to the back. We're gonna keep our lights out. peelable product, small area. Just paint over it, outline it so it'll be a perfect smooth peel. Smooth lines, that's what I was talking about, smooth lines. Smooth it out with the tape because the Plastidip product or anything you paint is only gonna shoot straight inside. Whatever crack, crevice, whatever you got is gonna shoot straight inside. So this is how you stop it. Whatever gets past this, just wipe it away. All right, gonna keep it out. Emblems, we're gonna keep the emblems out, everything, because we can peel it away in the end. So you don't wanna waste your time taping off stuff that's unnecessary. So just use your mind, look at the description, instructions, do what you gotta do. So what we gotta do, we about to paint this car, man. It's showtime. We got our gun set, it's ready. Paint products, everything's ready, man. All set, trained to go. Let's do it. All right, we done made it to our last step, and that's removing the prep. Removing all the prep work. You see the autumn blueberry. You can't see the flip right now the way it should, but you wait till I get it out there in that sun. You're gonna be able to see the whole view. We gotta do the rim still, so we're gonna go ahead and let the doors stay open because we don't want the doors to mesh with the outer trim, because if it does, it's gonna only bond together. And as soon as you open that door, it's gonna ruin everything and you're gonna have to start over in that area. And I'm telling you, you're gonna hate that. So therefore, let them doors breathe. Let everything dry up. Once everything dry up, we move everything, take it off, and we'll be all set. All the blueberry, it's coming. All right, we gotta switch it up. Can't find the wheel lug key, so therefore I won't be doing the wheels today. But my opinion, personally, I think they look better without them. My opinion. Leave a comment, man. Let me know what you think. Should the wheels get painted or should they stay the same? You be the judge. Let me know. But we're gonna get this joke outside, man. We're gonna watch this olive blueberry flip. Olive blueberry flip. We're gonna watch it flip, man. But before we do that, we gotta apply our dip coat protector spray. This right here is gonna enhance these pearls, man. It's gonna protect it from the sun. It's gonna help it last longer. It's gonna decrease the water spots. It's gonna do its job. We do this after every dip. So therefore, invest in you some. It's gonna make or break your dip job. All right, it's the grand finale. So this is what you've been waiting for.